Good morning, boys and girls. This is language lesson 150, and we're going to continue working with dictionary skills. Please copy the list of words on the board. The first one is comb, comb, limb, clarity, nettle, layer, Arabia, nose, praise, aisle, potato. Copy them down. Now write a number next and put them in alphabetical order. Write the numbers next to it, 1 through 5, putting them or arranging them in alphabetical order. The first one is clarity. The first one in column B is aisle. Please complete them. Two is comb. 3 is limb. 4 is layer. And 5 is nettle. Now, column B. 1 is aisle. 2 is Arabia. 3 is nose. 4 is potato. And 5 is praise. Oral exercise. As you hear me, repeat the sentence. If the verb needs a helping verb, say what helping verb should be in that sentence. The first sentence, it says, Dan grew strawberries in his garden. Is that sentence correct? Yes, it is. Next sentence. The strawberries grown big. Is that sentence correct? No, it is not. It needs a helping verb. What helping verb can you use? You could use have, or you could use had. The strawberries have grown big, or the strawberries had grown big. The next sentence, the pond has frozen over. The pond has frozen over. Next sentence, the ducks walking on the ice. The ducks walking on the ice. It needs a helping verb. The ducks were walking on the ice, or the ducks are walking on the ice. Next one. The horse ran across the field. The horse ran across the field. That is correct. Last sentence. The wind blown all day. The wind blown all day. This sentence needs a helping verb. The wind has blown all day, or the wind had blown all day. To continue with our dictionary skills, sometimes a word can mean more than one thing. It might have 2 or even more definitions. We can use a dictionary to find all the meanings of the word. When there is more than one definition or meaning for a word in a dictionary, each definition will have a number. In your dictionaries, look for the word bat. I hope you're looking and not just sitting there. look for your dictionary and look for the word bat. If you found the word bat, how many definitions have you found? In my dictionary, it gives 3 different definitions. First definition is a wooden stick used to hit a ball. Second definition, to hit a ball. And third definition, small mammal with wings. Which definition of bat would I use in this sentence? Ray swung his bat and hit the ball. Correct. It will be the definition of a wooden stick. I can read the sample sentence after the definition to make sure I am using the word correctly. Read sample sentences in the dictionary to verify that you are using the word correctly in your sentence. Now let's move on to page 171, where we will proceed with our language page. Some entry words have more than one definition. Each definition has a small number beside it. Miss King put a seal on my certificate. Did Miss King put a sea animal on their certificate? No, she put a shiny sticker on it. The word seal has different definitions. The dictionary can help you understand how a word is being used. Use the entry to answer the question. What is the entry? The entry word. The entry is the word that you are looking up. So my entry word is clipper. Clipper is a noun. First definition, a device that is used for clipping or cutting. Second definition, a very fast sailing vessel with all masts. Mark the radius next to the sentence that uses the second definition of clipper. What is the second definition? A very fast sailing vessel with all masts. Number 1, the clipper moved quickly through the choppy waves. 2, Mom used the clippers to trim Dad's hair, which is using definition number 2. Definition number 2 will be sentence 1 or example, or the first example. Let's go to our second sentence. Mark the radius next to the sentence that uses the first definition of clipper. What is the first definition of clipper? A device that is used for clipping or cutting. First sentence. Frank used those clippers to trim the bushes near the fence. The bushes near the fence. I need to change my glasses. Or the clipper just won the race. First definition, a device that is used for clipping or cutting. Frank used those clippers to trim the bushes near the fence. Number 3, write a declarative sentence using the first definition of the word clipper. The first definition, a device that is used for clipping or cutting. We could use this one. Mom used the clippers to trim Dad's hair. Mom used the clippers to trim dad's hair. Period. Number 4, write an interrogative sentence using the second definition of clipper. The second definition of clipper, a very fast sailing vessel with tall masts. The clipper just won the race. Which vessel won the race? Which vessel won the race? The clipper just won the race. You could actually add just. Which vessel just won the race? And part B is on you. Make sure you do it. I will give you a classwork grade when we do our meet. So please have your paper ready for our meet today. See you during our meet. Bye.